toilet that's got a broken handle and it's leaking down below into the ceiling down below. So I know this guy. I worked for him a bunch of times. I guess he's out fishing and his wife had called me. He went fishing. He said, call Steve, have him fix the toilet. The handle was broken and he was up there playing around with it, so who knows what it is. Go by there and give it the once over and fix it for the guy. It's definitely leaking downstairs from what she was saying. So we'll go check, see if there's any water on the floor behind the toilet and fix the handle. And if there's any water on the floor up above, we'll fix that. Maybe we'll have to pull it, put a new wax, I'm not sure. This Molly's enjoying the weather. Are you enjoying the weather? Oh yeah, you love the nice weather. You're from Mexico. You love warm weather. Come from Mexico, you're a Chihuahua. You love warm weather. Yeah, you love warm weather. I see water on the floor here. Something's going on. This is all wet. This is all wet. It's probably coming down from here. Yeah, the flipping things are loose. Look at that. I can move them by hand. Wow. Said the handles broke. We gotta put new bolts. The handle broke here, see it? There's another hole here though. The complaint was the handle broke. There's another hole in the handle. No, maybe not. Need a new handle. We get a new handle. It's not a problem. We gotta fix the bolts. That's the problem. Look at the flipping tank. She's cattywampus. See if we can just tighten them. Oh, flipping loose as a goose, mama. Loose as a goose. Wow, that was really loose. Let's try the other side. They must be good. They must be good brass bolts. I could just tighten them. Ain't so bad. More good bolts if they're not all corroded. Yeah, they'll just tighten them. loosen up the other side and tighten this side up a little more. I got a screwdriver down the side. That's a lot better. We'll try it. Handles are backwards. That should be a backwards thread. The left-hand thread on these. It goes the opposite way. Oh, there is a hole here. See it? Check tip on these. I'll put these on. I put a hose washer on there, so if there's any slop. If there's any slop, the washer will take up the slop. Again, this is backwards thread, left-hand thread. Washer takes up any slap in there. We'll hook that up and we'll try it. Just tightening up those toilet bolts. The seat makes a big difference. See it? Alright, it's good. That's good. Flush it and see if it. See it? Before I could come here and I could move them bolts. That's what the problem was. Joe Homeowner was over here playing around with it. That's all it was. Dripping downstairs. Put a new handle in it. We'll flush it and we'll check it again. Alright, we're going to try it again. Flush it. We'll flush it. If it's loose, the water will run right down because there's washers inside. That's fine. It's going to be good enough for this neighborhood. Well, hello there, cutie pie. Well, hello there, cutie pie. Well, hello there. We're home. We're home. Yeah, we're home. You love being home. You love being home.